Morning, you beautiful specimens. It is now 8:18. I'm about to make some coffee. Just got down, draw on my eyebrows. I'm dressed. It is time to make some coffee, and then I'll get started on my Bible study. Good morning and happy Sunday. It is now 8:30, and I've got my coffee. I'm ready apart from brushing teeth. And now I'm going to get into my Bible study class thing I'm taking. It's with Faith Womack. Her YouTube is called Faith Alive.
Hey guys, my name is Faith. I'm a pastor's wife, a mom to 2 toddlers, a recent seminary graduate, and an absolute Bible nerd.
Basically, I'm just taking notes. In the beginning, it looks like it was about like just kind of getting more into the Bible and listening to it all. And this is a lot of paper. You know, I have so far, I mean, half of it, the pink is just prayer, so it's not like I'm taking super extensive notes. Today will be day 7, fresh paper. I'm really excited because I really do feel like she's got a lot of good information that she wants to share.
Knowledge is power.
So that's what I'm about to get into. And then if I have enough time, I'll read some of my book. This book, How to Know God. This is a very good read so far. It says, The Soul's Journey into Mystery of Mysteries. A lot of it, honestly, is comparison of God with other religions' gods. And it just kind of like shows connections between those. And then it also shows one thing that I personally believe in, the fact that science was given to us by God as like a math of everything and how it works to sort of give us an understanding where we can't, you know, get his level of understanding, of course, but to give us something to sort of go off of. And so this goes a lot into the quantum pool and just how everything is connected through one creator, and that the science doesn't always support God because it's something that can't be tested, which my fiance pointed out to me last night. String theory can't really be tested either, and that's a lot of the quantum mechanics that I typically focus on because that's what makes most sense to me. And he did mention that we can't test it and can't prove it, but we also technically don't have like an experiment for God. We just have our Bible and we have the miracles that we have been told about, and then of course everyone's testimonies. And it is important to know, which in the book it talks about how there is such a vast majority of, it was like in the beginning, of people that identify as Christian and then less believe in hell. And so it's really good. I'm currently on chapter 3, 7 stages. I don't agree with everything in this book. No way. But a lot of it does make a lot of sense. And I like it. So that's what I'm currently focusing on. It's 8:34. So I'm going to get into Faith Alive and then just see where I go from there. I'm done with my Bible study course for today. I still need to walk him before I can get into that book. So I'm currently on a mile with Finley. We're about a fourth of the way done. And yeah, it's about 48 degrees out here. So my nose is pink. I'm cold. And turning off this camera because my fingers are cold. changed my pants because my other jeans seem to be getting too loose, which is great. Love that they're getting loose. I had to switch into my smaller pants, which ironically are also starting to get loose, and I find that so funny because they are pretty small. One of the smallest pairs I've actually ever bought. There's that. I didn't have time this morning to go through this book that I'm reading, so that's what I'm about to do now. I did just get home from church. It is 1:35 now, so I'll probably read this for a chapter. That'll probably be it, honestly. I do just kind of think I might just want to chill, so I'm just going to do my normal walks and then do my fit test probably tomorrow. My knee is hurting, so I might go buy a knee brace because I'm tired of that. But yeah, I'm going to get into this. I'm already chosen. I know who I am. I know what you've spoken. That is enough. If He watches over every sparrow, how much more will He love you? How much more? If He dresses the lilies with beauty and splendor, how much more will He love you? Don't you worry. Forever free, I am not the same. I thank the Master, I thank the Savior, I thank God.
I cannot deny what I see. Got no choice but to believe my doubts are burning.
Well, you guys, this is gonna wrap up our video for today. I want to thank you so much for taking your time out of your day to watch this video. It was really fun to make for a chill Sunday. I got my Bible study boot camp done for the day. I got some reading done. I might do a little more reading later. I'm about to go take Finley on another mile. It is now 3:04. I just heard Finley sneeze. I think he heard the word mile and he knows. Please definitely leave a like if you did like it, and comment below if you do have any suggestions for upcoming videos. Not sure with this knee how far my fitness videos are gonna go, but I am still on a good track, as we have learned with me being in a lower pant size now. We shall see. I'm gonna go get a brace probably to help make things easier. I'm really excited about my upcoming fitness test I'm gonna do with the Grow with Joe video to sort of see where I'm at in my fitness level. Obviously, I don't know if this is like a legit fitness test or if it's just like a workout video she made or whatever, but we're gonna react to it anyway. So definitely stay tuned for that. I do want to thank you guys again so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you would like to join me on my journey to a healthier lifestyle. I hope you guys have a great week. Hello. Wait on the Lord, you will renew.